Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over EA Skate for how to change from a man to woman. Okay, so you can change your character usually if you first delete your game save file. That's possible. You can do that, but if you don't want to do that, you don't want to, delete your progress. You go to customization here under appearance for the skater, and you can do things like change your hair, basically, right? Change your hair to another hair that suits a woman, and you can also change your face shape, make it more feminine. And if you did have things like facial hair, right, I suggest you go and get rid of that as well. That is pretty much the closest you can get without actually deleting your game file, and that will be the closest appearance to a woman that you can get, because they don't have the functionality to just change it after you create the game. If you found this helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.